welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again one more time again, guys. Today we're going to show you how you can make yourself some Christmas cookie. You know, Christmas is a time where everyone always make their cookie. So basically I have 8 ounces unsalted butter, room temperature, right here. And right here I have 4 ounces of sugar. This is custard sugar. So basically I need to cream the sugar and the butter. So I'm gonna cream the sugar and butter like this. As you can see, what I'm doing right here, guys, is just really nice and beautiful. So this is the sugar and the butter which I'm doing right here. And I have 1 egg which I'm gonna put straight inside of it. That's the 1 egg. So cream, egg, butter and sugar. Nice and lovely. And right here I have 10 ounces of self-rising flour. And I'm gonna put a little bit like this. And then I'm gonna have the rest after. That's the rest of the flour. So the only thing now, you have to mess up your hand for a while. You guys can see. Nice one. So guys, if you think it's a little bit too wetty, you can always add a little bit more flour towards it and get it like a dough like this. So if you think it's a little bit too wet, you can always add a little flour towards it. So basically what we're gonna do now is simple. That's simple. Give it a roll out like this first. And after you do this, guys, simple, just rest it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. I just take it from the fridge. I have it in it for about an hour. So basically we're gonna do it simple. Basically what you're gonna do is simple, just cut them like this. And then we're gonna lay them inside of this. Really nice. So the rest I will use the rest when I feel like. basically that's exactly what we are all about right here with this nice lovely cookie. So basically what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just pop them inside of the oven for roughly 12 minutes. As you can see, if the dough is a little bit too soft, you can always add a little bit more flour, that's fine. So as you can see, we're gonna pop them in the oven now for 12 minutes. Christmas cookie. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Just take them from the oven, guys, looking so lovely and nice and yummy. Very easy, simple recipe for you to prepare at home. So if you like the recipe, just leave your comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Christmas cookie treat. See you next time. Bye bye.